The Toyota Vios 2025, the King of Philippine Roads. This title truly represents the heart of Filipino motorists because when you talk about cars in the Philippines, the Toyota Vios is more than just a vehicle. It is a household name, a symbol of reliability, and a trusted partner for millions of drivers across the nation. The Vios has earned its crown as the King of Philippine Roads due to its unbeatable combination of affordability, fuel efficiency, low maintenance cost, durability, and the strong brand image of Toyota. For years, the Toyota Vios has remained the best-selling sedan in the Philippines, and 2025 is no exception. Its dominance in the market shows how deeply it is connected to the lives of ordinary Filipinos, whether they are young professionals buying their first car, families looking for an affordable daily driver, or ride-hailing drivers who depend on reliability and low fuel consumption for their livelihood. One of the biggest reasons why the Toyota Vios is so popular in the Philippines is its affordability compared to its competitors. In a country where most consumers are price-sensitive and always seeking value for money, the Vios has consistently delivered a balance of cost and quality. It is not the cheapest car available, but it offers more features, stronger reliability, and better resale value than budget competitors. This makes it an attractive option not just for individual buyers but also for taxi fleets and ride-hailing services like Grab, where the Vios has become a standard choice. In fact, in many cities across the Philippines, the Vios dominates the streets as the preferred sedan for public and private use. Another factor that makes the Toyota Vios the King of Philippine Roads is its exceptional fuel efficiency. With rising fuel costs, Filipino drivers pay close attention to how far their peso goes at the pump, and the Vios has a proven track record of being light on fuel consumption without sacrificing performance. The modern engines in the 2025 model are designed to maximize mileage, making it an economical choice for long-distance driving as well as daily city commutes. Combined with Toyota's engineering, this efficiency helps drivers save thousands of pesos each year, further strengthening its popularity among budget-conscious households and professional drivers alike. Maintenance and after-sales service also play a major role in the success of the Toyota Vios. Toyota has one of the largest dealer and service networks in the Philippines, meaning that no matter where you are in the country, parts and qualified mechanics are always accessible. This availability of parts ensures that maintenance is easy and affordable, and it also reduces the downtime for repairs. Filipino drivers value peace of mind, and with the Vios, they know that they will never struggle to find parts or service. This strong after-sales support is one of the key reasons the Vios has stayed ahead of the competition year after year. Durability is another crown jewel of the Toyota Vios. Philippine roads are often a mix of well-paved highways, busy urban streets, and rough provincial roads with potholes and uneven surfaces. The Vios has proven time and again that it can handle these conditions with ease. Its suspension is built to provide comfort even on rough terrains, and its body structure is sturdy enough to handle years of heavy use. It is common to see older models of the Vios still running smoothly even after a decade of use, which speaks volumes about its build quality and longevity. This reputation for lasting reliability gives buyers confidence that their investment will serve them for many years to come. The Toyota Vios is also known for its practicality and versatility. It has a spacious interior despite being a subcompact sedan, making it comfortable for small families. The trunk offers ample storage space, which is important for family trips, grocery runs, or even as a workhorse for small businesses. Its compact size also makes it easy to maneuver through the narrow streets and heavy traffic of cities like Manila, Cebu, and Davao. For young drivers, its easy handling and smooth driving experience make it a great first car, while for families, it is a dependable daily vehicle that meets all their needs. In terms of design, the 2025 Toyota Vios has been updated to reflect modern tastes while maintaining its identity as a practical sedan. It features a sleek exterior with sharp lines, stylish headlights, and a more dynamic front grille, giving it a more premium feel compared to earlier versions. Inside, the cabin has been improved with better materials, an intuitive infotainment system, and added safety features. Toyota has always focused on safety, and the Vios now comes with advanced features such as multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, stability control, and driver assist technology, making it not only affordable but also safe for every passenger. The role of the Toyota Vios in Filipino culture cannot be overstated. For many Filipinos, owning a Vios is a milestone, a symbol of progress and achievement. It is often the first car for young professionals, and for families, it represents stability and growth. Its wide presence on the streets has made it a familiar and trusted sight. The car's dominance also extends into the used car market, where resale values remain strong. Buyers know that even after years of use, the Vios still holds significant value compared to competitors, which adds to its appeal. Looking ahead, the Toyota Vios 2025 continues to adapt to the changing needs of the Filipino market. With the rise of eco-conscious driving and stricter environmental regulations, Toyota is moving towards hybrid technology, and it is expected that the Vios lineup will eventually include hybrid variants to meet future demands. This adaptability ensures that the Vios will continue to be relevant and dominant for years to come. Ultimately, the Toyota Vios has earned the title of King of Philippine Roads not just because of numbers but because of trust, familiarity, and proven reliability. It is the car that Filipinos can depend on, whether for work, family, or leisure. From the busy streets of Manila to the provinces, the Vios reigns supreme as the go-to sedan. It is not just transportation, it is part of everyday life, woven into the culture of the Philippines. That is why in 2025, just like in the past decade, the Toyota Vios stands proudly as the undisputed king of Philippine roads, a car that continues to deliver value, comfort, and confidence to millions of Filipinos.